What's up, guys? So I'm gonna show you how to um, use OBS to make your stream sounds better. Okay. As you can see, di ba, pag nag-OBS tayo, mas malinaw yung OBS compared to a regular Kumu setup na walang OBS. Okay. Here's what you do. In your V8 or Maono or sound card nyo, there's gonna be a headset output and out music in, and then nakalagay siya output. Okay? Output. Ilagay nyo lang, you need an extra audio cable. So, use the output. Okay? Since the headset, ginagamit nyo na, di ba? So, output goes to mic in sa computer nyo. Okay? It goes to the mic in sa computer nyo. So, this is the only thing that you're gonna do. Okay? To add on your setup. Yan lang. That's it. Whatever setup that you have, plug it in the output and then plug it in sa mic in ng computer. Okay? And then, all you have to do, just download OBS. Okay? Once na-download mo na yung OBS, okay, I'm pretty sure you know how it works. Okay, so here's the OBS. You're gonna add an audio input. Okay, so this one I need it para marinig nyo ko. So I'm gonna add another audio input. Okay, so plus and then audio input, and then just put OBS Kumo. Okay, and then we'll say default. Just drag it, open it up, and then make sure it's microphone. Okay. Okay. So that's the output to mic. Okay. So as you can see, nakukuha niya tayo. Okay. And then, you right click it or hit the three dots. And then you go filters. Okay. Audio filters. And then you're going to add compressor. Okay. And then again, filters, you're gonna add noise suppression. Okay, and then hit close. And then you're gonna right click and then advanced audio properties and make sure nasa OBS Kumo ka. And then monitor and output. Okay. Okay, narinig niyo 'yon? Pag nag-output siya, nagfe-feedback siya, 'di ba? Kasi nga yung output na 'yon is gonna go to your phone. Okay? So how to resolve it is here's what we're gonna do. So bear with me. So monitor and output. Go to filters, compressor, and make it to 0. Okay? That's all you have to do. Make it to 0. Okay? And that's it. If I, see, nakita nyo, humina itong sa computer. Kasi nilalabas niya eh. Okay? So if I mute the other audio, you won't mahina ako, di ba? So that's your telltale sign na nagwo-work siya. Okay? Alright guys, that's it. Thank you.